So today we are headed off to Coffin Island, the mysterious island just off the coast of Ponce, full of lots of stuff.
Okay, so we're gonna put the mizzen up. We got a 7-mile trip today. Not much, but when we get out there, there's a bit of wind, so that'll be exciting. Besides having lots of fun with Bobby and Taylor, we've also loved the sailing series because they're teaching us to sail. They're showing us the ropes. Ropes? I mean, lines. We prepared Nauty Dogs for sail as we left the harbour to head for Coffin Island. It's always very important to keep your lines and sheets nice and tidy. We got Taylor, the captain, just spotted dolphins. Right. Yes, I saw them!
Oh. Where?
Yeah, they're playing over there.
To the right, on 1 o'clock?
Yeah, yes, exactly one.
Okay, we think they're coming towards us. They've jumped a couple of times out. There they are, guys. Can you see them? Babe, let's hope they come to us.
I know, dolphins, come!
You might not be able to see them on camera. Yes.
Well, what a way to start the day and open the vlog. Welcome aboard. We are currently with Bobby and Taylor from the Sailor Doodles. Say hi, guys.
Hey.
So check their channel out. They are making it happen. We're on their boat. For those who are new, I'm Theodora. Graham is behind camera. We gave up our life, our business a little bit over a year and a half ago, and we are YouTubing around the world. This is our full-time gig. Thanks to our patrons for making it happen. So yeah, today's all happening. I cannot wait. We're going to Coffin Island. Coffin Island makes me think of the island of the dead. So who knows what goes down.
So right now we're just gonna pull the Genoa sail out. I think we've got enough wind to just sail, so hopefully we can shut down the motor and enjoy the peace and quiet. I'm winching with the electric winch here. Bobby's on the other side, kind of tailing the line, making sure nothing gets caught.
Okay, so the Genoa is live. He is out, he is catching the wind, and we are currently sailing on the Genoa and the mizzen.
Yeah, just a little. We also need to tighten the mizzen a little as well.
So I just wanted to let you know, I was
Swap mate.
swab assistant, and Theodora was swab. But because of her lacking skills and enthusiasm,
What do you mean?
I'm now
enthusiastic.
I am now chief swab, and she's been downgraded
So she's got a
assistant swab.
Yeah, I'm now dinghy bitch,
But
basically.
I do think I could be captain's mate soon, because this morning Taylor was, I don't know what she was doing. She was on the phone, and you know we sorted out everything out.
Oh,
So
freaking, just like I was still asleep when he turned on the motor, and then my friend called.
wow, you know what's more important? I mean, I might even take captain position.
Yeah, hey, come on, let's do it.
Just watch out, Bobby. I'm coming for you. Okay, we are heeling over. This is probably the most I've ever heeled.
I'm a little bit scared of it. I am almost.
Okay, this isn't a lot.
This isn't a lot?
We heeled over so much, I cried one time. It was scary.
The wind's just changed, guys, so we're not heeling as much.
Woo!
Okay guys, we're almost there at Coffin Island. Hard starboard! Alright, we'll just drop an anchor.
have arrived at Coffin Island. We are literally floating in Gatorade water, but we're gonna be here 2 days, and first things first. It's breakfast time. It's over to Taylor in the kitchen.
It's pancake time!
It's pancake day.
Boom. Here we go. Literally, Taylor makes the best pancakes.
Pro tip, the just add water pancakes are actually better than the full egg and oil ones. So that's my secret, and cinnamon.
And the other day, I didn't tell you guys, but I actually brought whipped cream to go on top.
That's the final ingredient that will make it amazing.
Yeah.
Oh.
Let's do it, guys.
I'm excited. Pancakes are ready.
Woo! Took long enough. Only joking. Can we get a slap in the face? Oh wow, look at that.
So the Americans push, like we have a button.
Oh.
Like, and this, you go like this.
Oh, to the side.
Look. Wow.
Oh wow.
Oh my God. Oh, he's coming this way. His head is right there.
They're so hard to capture on camera.
Okay, we have a turtle. Literally so close. His head is up again. Okay, babe, swap to the lens. Let's get in zoom. We couldn't see the turtle from the boat, so we decided to set up the hooker system, which Bobby has had on board but never used before. It allows you to scuba dive without the heavy tanks on your back.
Me and Bobby spent about 30 minutes under the boat looking for turtles, but to no avail. Now it's time for the girls to give it a go. After multiple attempts, Theodora just wasn't feeling the hooker system and prefers snorkeling. However, Taylor, well, we couldn't get her out of the water and she was making plenty of funny faces.
That was awesome. It was cool to swim underneath the boat. Like, you see how big it is underwater. It's crazy.
Theodora's out there snorkeling. She's not a fan of the line with the air, so she's just doing some snorkeling.
No,
You're better off just like this, to be honest. Like, really push it out.
Oh, my legs are so sore. Oh, wait.
Go tippy toes. Top, 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 top. You're doing it.
I don't know if I can use this.
We're having dance lessons. It's very serious.
Graham is like, okay.
I can't do it. I can't.
You gotta arch more. Here, come on.
Okay.
Arch it. Come on. Pop.
But it doesn't arch anymore.
That's it. That's it. That's it. Keep going. Pop.
There you go, yeah.
That's it. That's it. Keep going.
That's, we're trying to teach her how to twerk. There you go.
It's hard.
Yeah, it's a good start.
It's
Twerking
weird.
101.
By the end, we're gonna have a twerker on our hands, babe.
Okay, so we've been chilling out a little bit this afternoon, and it's about 4:30 in the afternoon, and now we're going to take the dinghy. We're going to go over to the beach and check out this, it looks like an abandoned resort, so it's going to be quite interesting. So it's still quite windy, so Let's get the drone up possibly. Thank you for watching, and in the next episode we set foot on this magical and mysterious island. Make sure you subscribe, it really helps us out, and if you would like to become a Patreon, then check out our Patreon page. Without our patrons, these videos aren't possible, so thank you to everyone who is a patron, and we will see you in the next episode.